Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys ultra data saving mode guys. How can we on and how can we use it? Friends, we want to on guys Samsung phone guys ultra data saving mode. So how can you on today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. And now let's see how can we on Samsung phone guys ultra data saving mode. So guys we will on guys our phone setting. After on phone setting as you can see this type of setting. So first of all we will search here direct as ultra, and once you can see ultra data saving mode we will click on this ultra data saving mode, and once you can see ultra data saving mode we will tap here. So once you want to on guys your ultra data saving mode guys you can on guys, you will have to keep permission from here. Ultra data saving mode is on. So like that guys you can on guys Samsung phone guys ultra data saving mode setting is in case you can see limited background data guys you can select from here which app and you can use it. So like that guys we can on guys Samsung phone ultra data saving mode setting. So that's it guys, bye bye friends.